Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today we will start exercise 8.3. Let us start our first question. Here we have to evaluate sine 18 degree y cos 72 degree. Here we have to use values of means sine theta is equal to cos of 90 degree minus theta. All of you know the values, these identities. Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Here we have to use all of these values. We can write sine 18 degree as cos 90 minus theta, means sine theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Here theta is 18 degree, so we are writing sine 18 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 18 degree y cos of 72 degree. Here 90 minus 18 is again cos 72 by cos 72 degree. कट हो जाएगा ये. So answer is 1. बिल्कुल ही छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस है ये and very easy. Only in one step, in 1 second you can solve these questions. Here also tan 90 minus theta is tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. इनकी वैल्यूज ऐसे साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कोस 90 माइनस थीटा एंड कोस थीटा इज साइन 90 माइनस थीटा एंड टेन थीटा इज कोट 90 माइनस थीटा एंड कोट थीटा इज टेन 90 माइनस थीटा. इनकी यही वैल्यू बस पुट करनी है आपको. एंड कोसिकेंट सीकेंट की आपस में वैल्यू होती है एंड कोस और साइन की, कोट और टेन की. सो दिस इज टेन 26 डिग्री. सो टेन थीटा इज कोट ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा. सो दिस इज कोट ऑफ 90. थीटा सेम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. Here cot, this is cot 64. So this is cot of 64 is equal to, this is cot 90 minus 26 is 10 minus 6 4, 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is cot 64 by cot 64 degree. This will cancel out with this. Answer is 1 again. Here cos 48 is sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So theta is 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. So here 90 minus 48 is 42 minus sin 42 degree. So answer is 1. Minus हो जाएगा ये. So cosecant 30. So cosecant 90 minus theta is, I am writing here, cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta and also its reciprocal, means secant theta is cosecant 90 minus theta. So we are writing here secant 90 minus theta is 31 here. We are changing this value, so we have to write theta same like this. Okay, minus secant 59 degree. So secant 90 minus 31 is, this is 9, 8 minus 3 is 5 minus secant 59 degree is equal to, this is क्या आएगा, sorry this is 0 not 1, this minus this is 0, same term है, cancel होके this is 0 again. यहाँ पे आपको you have to notice one thing, that sum of these angles is always 90 degree. So we can write it as 90 minus theta. So this is 18 minus 72, 18 plus 72 is 90 degree, 26 plus 64 is 90 degree, 48 and 42 is 90 degree. जहाँ पे भी ऐसी pairing है, you have to first choose the numbers, angles with sum of 90 degree. In second question, you will understand this easily. Here we have to show that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 equal to 1. First of all, we have to take its left hand side only. This is, we have to combine the angles adding 92 degree. This is 48 plus 42 is 92 degree and 23 plus 67 is, इनको हम साथ साथ लिखेंगे, tan 48 degree. This is tan 42 degree, tan 23 degree and tan 67 degree is equal to, we can write tan 48 degree as it is. Here we will change it to cot. This is cot 90 minus 42, and this is tan 23 degree, and this is cot 90 minus 67. So this is equal to tan 48 degree, and this is cot 48 degree into tan of 23 degree, and this is cot of 23 degree. माइनस करेंगे. So this answer will be, ये देखो इधर, tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. This is tan 48. This we can write 1 by tan 48. So tan 48 cancel हो गया, 1 बचा. Here also 1 by tan 23, तो ये भी 1 बचा. 1 into 1 is 1. So which is equal to right hand side. Space come to. So here also we have to show this is equal to, I think, 0. Yes. Here also we have to change the values. देखो इनका सम पहले 90 है. 8 plus 2 10, 5 plus 3 1 8 9. ठीक है. Here also, so we have to change here one thing also. एक ही चीज को चेंज करना है हमने. Only one value. This is cos 38. चाहे इसको कर दो चाहे इसको कर दो. We can write cos 38 is sin 90 minus 38. Okay. And this is cos 52 degree. Same लिखना है. Here this is cos 90 minus 38. Means sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Here also cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. ये same होते हैं. We are taking left hand side. So second term as it is लिखेंगे हम. So our answer is, देखो, sin 90 minus theta. This is sin 90 minus 38 is 52. This is cos 52 minus again cos 52 into sin 52 degree. देखो दोनों टर्म सेम है. sin 52 cos 52 minus sin 52 cos 52, they will cancel out. So our answer is 0, which is equal to our right hand side. So this was second question. So let's move to our third question. This is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, we are given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Here angle is a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, where this is given 2a, है ना. ये क्या है? acute angle. acute angle है, तभी हम इसको 90 minus theta में convert कर सकते हैं, like this, है ना. We can change this identities if theta is an acute angle. So here this is given 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. We have to find out the value of a. So we can write this tan 2a in terms of cot na. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So theta is here 2a. So tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Cot inverse लेंगे तो ये cot cancel हो जाएगा. So we are left with only 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. From here we can find out the value of a. So 90 plus 18 is equal to a. 2a will go to that side. So this is 108 is equal to 3a, which implies a is equal to 108 degree by 3. So we will get this value in simplest form. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. So answer is, our a is 36 degree. a की value find करनी थी ना. So a is 36 degree. Let's move to fourth question. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. हमें इसको नहीं देखना है. We have to apply this identity here only. Tan a is, चाहे इस पे लगा दो चाहे इस पे लगा दो. So we are writing its solution. Tan a is equal to cot b. So cot b को हम लिख सकते हैं tan 90 minus theta means tan 90 minus b. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So tan ये बन गया हमारा tan A is equal to tan 90 minus b. After taking sin tan inverse ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. We are left with only angles. A is equal to 90 degree minus b. So b will come to this side. So we will get A plus b is equal to 90 degree, which was to prove. ये prove करना था हमें. Now fifth question is, if secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle. Here also ये mention किया है 4a is an acute angle. So we can apply this identity 90 minus theta वाली. Is an acute angle. Here also we have to find the value of a. So we are writing solution means secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. We will change this to cosecant है ना. Secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. So cosecant 90 degree minus our theta is 4a. कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to change this only. Secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. If you don't know these identities, I will make a separate video on these values, how to find out these values. So you will find it very easy to how to solve these questions. वैसे भी ये बहुत ही easy है, ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें कुछ भी find out करने की. So this is only we have to put secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. This cosecant cancel out हो जाएंगे. So we are left with only 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. Angles रह जाएंगे यहाँ पे सिर्फ. तो ये आ गया 90 degree plus 20 degree equal to a plus 4a which is equal to 5a. So 5a is equal to 110 degree, which implies a is equal to 110 by 5, which is equal to 22 degree. So our A is 22 degree. यही find करना था. So our sixth question is, if A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. ABC कोई triangle है, उसके angles हैं ABC. Then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle. So we have to apply here angle sum property of interior angles. क्या होते हैं? A plus B plus C is equal to degree. A plus B is equal to 180 degree होता है ना. So we will write here. We have to find here B plus C only. यही चाहिए ना हमें इधर. So we will take B plus C here and 180 degree. A will shift to right side. So now we have to divide both side by 2 also. So dividing both sides by 2. So 2 से यहीं पे divide कर दिया हमने. ये आ गया B plus C by 2. So 180 by 2 is, ऐसे कर देंगे अलग से, minus A by 2. This is 90 degree minus A by 2. Now taking sine of angle both sides. बोथ साइड्स हमने दोनों साइड साइन लगा देना है यहाँ पे. सो वी आर गेटिंग साइन बी प्लस सी बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू साइन 90 माइनस ए बाई 2. सो साइन बी प्लस सी बाई 2 ये तो सेम रहेगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो राइट हैंड साइड क्या बनेगी? साइन 90 माइनस ए इज कोस ए. सो अवर ए इज ए बाई 2. सो दिस इज कोस ए बाई 2. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. ए बी सी आर द इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल. तो हमने इसकी इंटीरियर एंगल सम की प्रॉपर्टी लगा दी. ए प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री होता है. हमें यहाँ वी प्लस सी बाई 2 चाहिए, तो हमने बी प्लस सी इधर रख लिया और ए को दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट कर दिया. उसको हमने सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया थोड़ा सा. देन हमने साइन लगा दिया दोनों साइड. ये वाला सेम रहेगा साइन लगा के. ये साइन 90 माइनस ए बाई 2 हो गया. सो साइन 90 माइनस थीटा इज कोस थीटा. सो अवर थीटा इज हियर ए बाई 2. Now our seventh question is, express sin 67 plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric values of angles between 0 and 25 degree. Here angles are 67 degree and 75 degree, means greater than 25 degree एंगल है दोनों में. So हमें इसका एंगल छोटा करना है यहाँ पे. So let's start this. This is sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. So we will write here sin theta is cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. हमने कुछ नहीं किया है, थीटा इज सेम है, हमने सिर्फ आइडेंटिटी लगाई है. sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos 90 माइनस थीटा एंड cos थीटा इज sin 90 माइनस थीटा. अब ये 90 माइनस 67 बन गया ना, अपने आप ही एंगल क्या हो गया, रिड्यूस हो गया हमारा 20. इसके बीच में कितना आया, ये 23 डिग्री प्लस दिस इज sin 15 डिग्री. So these are angles between 0 and 25 degree. So this was its answer. In next video we will solve exercise 8.4 also. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe.